2, let's go! So we got a few upstate. Oh, that wasn't even close. 3, 2, 1. Get the engine rolling. No, that was fucking stupid too. Fuck. All right, let's do this again, Dan. So, determine your firing order, the direction the rotor button turns. To need is, see, that was fucking stupid. 3, 2, 1, action. Let's talk a little bit about air conditioning now. Thanks for joining me for another video. This 3, 2, 1, action. Thanks for joining me. This week we got scratching and swearing in the shop. Thanks for joining me. 3, 2, 1, action. So we started off by just keep rolling. Whatever. God damn it. I get nervous because you're so pretty.
Oh.
Take 2. Let's do this again. Go. That was fucking stupid. That is, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Okay. Depends on what you need to suit your needs. That was dumb too. Left is, that was, God almighty. Try a couple out. This was fucking stupid. I'm gonna have to do this again. This was all dumb. All right, 3, 2, 1, action. All right, after we marked our hole that centered our steering, fuck, I did it again. Jesus Christ.
Don't look at me.
No, I can't help it. I mean, you know, it's just that it's irresistible.
Babe.
Simply irresistible. So, open house rat rod show that we're gonna go check out. That was fucking stupid too. 3, 2, 1. With these tools anymore, and you're going back to hand tools. That's where the reliability of the. Hey.
Mama.
She's outside.
Oh, did I ruin that for you?
Yeah, I was recording. You didn't know. It's all okay. Talk about steering on the. Ooh, dummy. Let's do this again.
When you were a kid, did you like homework?
No, not at all.
I love it.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, okay. 3, 2, 1. Action! That's how we go, right? I have an air compressor at home. This is fucking stupid. I'm gonna have to do this again. All right, 3, 2, 1, action. Hey, welcome to Dirty Dan's Tool Time. Today we're gonna talk about